It is further along than the new administrative capital, perhaps. Here's a look at Alamein. Hello from some compound in New Alamein. So I am taking you guys on a riding tour of the city. At least I'm going to attempt to. So I'm just at my compound here and close to the city. So I'm gonna head towards the skyscrapers and just see what we see before coming back here and resting. But I wanted to go check out the city a little bit. I think I'll be looking at New Alamein and not Old Alamein. So let's go find out what is out here. Yalla bina. Let's get out of here. We've reached our exit. So, I wonder how many minutes I've been recording and still inside a compound. Maybe I'll cut it. This is weird. Weird area. Okay, oh god, speed bump again. Okay, so let's go right here. City Edge Developments. I feel like I've heard that before. I think they're building out in new administrative capital as well. These are going to be the most luxurious places. You can tell. New Alamein is a city that was just recently inaugurated in 2018. It was conceived by the government as a center for tourism, education, and the government. It has its own presidential palace and ministry building, and they are building 3 universities, as well as many skyscrapers and hotels. It is further along than the new administrative capital, perhaps, it seems to me. But still a kind of a ghost town. I don't see a lot happening out here. If you can imagine this being busy though, with shops and apartments and filled with people, it could be nice for, I don't know, someone that likes that type of thing. Like, I'm sure it'll be beautiful. Streets are wide. And then we have these 2 very imposing buildings. I don't know what anything is here. Hotels, offices, buildings, like government, who knows? Here's a look at Alamein. under construction. But okay. We are just right next to the sea, past this strip where you have H&M and some other things. North Square. Okay, there's a Starbucks. Look at that sea! Wow. Every time. Could it possibly ever get old? I don't know. This is Ritzy, Carlitos, Princess, I don't know, just some fancy looking stuff here. And another MBE, so I can go to the ATM. I don't think I'm going to use that one though, to be honest. Maybe I should. I don't know if it's going to be hard to find an ATM again later. Okay, interesting design. It's like the boat in Singapore, or you know, a lot of those, a lot of fancy cities have that. Service gates. What is Rixos? Rixos. Premium Alamein. Gotta be rich. I guess that probably just gets you into... Is that what this building is called? Rixos? Oh, it says it all over the building. It must be. I hope I've been looking up far enough for you guys to see the building. We have a cinema at the Salat, parking down there. I think I'm gonna try to go to the ATM here, as long as I can like park my motorcycle without a problem, which should be fine. So let's do that. Right here. Okay. Should I keep recording? Maybe I'll pop into the mall. I didn't lock my bike up well. I think it might be okay out here though. Okay, got security, so I'm taking my stop recording. But maybe I'll go inside the mall and see if anything's happening. Okay, I just put on my helmet inside the mall, so it looks like they'll have a Saudi market eventually. They have banks. There's a Samsung. But the guy said basically there isn't much open yet. Just a few restaurants and a shop or two. But eventually things will be opening up here. So anyways, this is the Alamein mall. I mean, there might be more, but I don't know, it's the one I just stumbled upon. So we have orange, and then Parfois, see you next year. So they're not open yet. ATM. I don't know what's downstairs. I don't really want to go like walking around the mall anyways. So there seems to be parking. I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to film. I always get told not to film in malls, so but I just figured I'll just put the helmet on and film a little bit. So we have Torino, Costa d'Ora, yeah, and then I guess some restaurants and stuff, but mainly closed. So alright guys, I'm gonna head back out. See you at the bike. That's not a bad idea. Just to glimpse at it. Normally I do this with the Nile. But here we are along the Mediterranean Sea. Wow, wow, wow. God, that is blue. That is so delicious looking. It's like candy. Wow. Yeah, we'll see this in Marsa Matruh. Marsa Matruh has beautiful sea. All along the coast, these places have beautiful sea. I heard North Coast, Alamein, Marsa. Wow, it's just so beautiful. Okay, so yeah, guys, I wish I could tell you a little bit more about Alamein, but I didn't do my research because I've just been too busy. There's so many other things I need to research, and I just in general don't know anything about this place. So the North Square Mall may be still under construction as well. Perhaps slightly open. I was thinking of going up there trying to explore and getting something to drink somewhere, not Starbucks, but it looks very quiet and empty. But we can all imagine what it will be like once complete. I'm always sticking my head so far back, hoping you guys can see it all. That is going to conclude the driving tour of New Alamein. Lots under construction, lots of buildings here. Once it's all done, I think it will be a fancy area where if you like fancy things, you will like it. Yeah, some kind of like resort town, city. Lots of villas. They're definitely building in lots of residential areas out here and hotels and God knows what else. But okay, yeah, I'm gonna head back now to my place. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode where I will be driving to Marsa Matruh. But I won't be making you watch all of that because I'm sure it will be quite a boring drive. So I will see you on the next one. Ma salama.